Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with the Lego Friends. So this is I got this at the carboot sale, and this is the mini doll of me I created. Her name's Sarah. I'll introduce you to the other Lego Friends. They're going to the stage. Sarah's a singer, and then we have Sarah too. That's from one of the Lego Elf sets. Then we have Emma. The one with the red hair is Mia. But I think we got Stephanie in there that has yellow hair. This is Nida. Okay. And this is Olivia. This is Andrea. This is Daniel. Okay, let's start. So, look. Nida says, I'm just going to push this button and see what happens. Oh, look, it blasts off. Daniel! What? Can you help me? Okay, what happened? I just pushed the button and it flew, passing. Okay, one thing. The police gave us it, but why didn't they get off the sticker? I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to put it there. Yep. Ow. Okay, who's in there? Oh, me and Stephanie. Okay, now I'm just going to go here. Me too, I want to go. Everyone, why are we coming so early? Oh, but some of us are the show ones. Aren't we the only ones that are going to watch the show? Who cares? Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go backstage. No, wrong place. No. I'm gonna drum bells. I can't fit. Yay, fit. Okay. Fly. Oh. Ow. No. Wait. No. Whee. Okay. Let's park here. But I parked backstage. No, let's park here. Okay. I already parked in my bike. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's put here. Okay. Going to backstage. Hi. Okay, down I go. No, this is okay, fit. Okay, there. Whee! Okay, here we are. Okay, and the piano go. Yeah. I love to play the piano. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, let's sit. I'm gonna go for the front seat. For the front seat. I'm going for the back seat because there's no more space in the front seat. I'm going with this one. I'm laying down on this one. No, too much. Okay, there. I'm going to park this here. Oh, yeah, this one's here. Whoopsie. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's start the show. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Daddy, I love you. You're the best hamster a girl could ever have. I like how your brown eyes shimmer in the sun. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Okay, now I'll tell you all the things that this does. Okay, so, see this lever? When you turn it, it moves. And this piano, I built it because the pieces didn't come with it. It was just, I got it from the carboot sale. So it wouldn't have all the pieces. It had a doll called Liv. That was the singer. That's her. That's why it says Liv. But obviously I got it from the carboot sale. It wouldn't be complete. And then there was a doll called Andrea. But the only thing of the set that was like a bit of a person was the head. That's how I got the idea of making my own self. So that's all. Bye!